In this problem, we're going to add 473 plus 382. So first what we're going to do is we're going to break up each of these add-ins into place value. So the 4 stands for 400, and the 7 in the tens place is 710, so that's 70. And the 3 in the ones place stands for 3 ones. We're going to do the same for the other number, so the 3 stands for 300. The 8 tens is 80, and the 2 ones is 2. So now what we're going to do, and basically the same thing as the standard algorithm, just start with the ones. We're going to add 3 plus 2. And then the tens we're going to add together, so 70 plus 80 is 150. And 300 plus 400 is 700. So here we can go ahead and add the 100 from the 150 to the 700. So that's going to be 800 plus the 50 plus the 5. So our total is 855. In this problem we're going to add 3,265 plus 4,686. So first we're going to break each number up into expanded form. So the 3 stands for 3,000, the 2 stands for 200, the 6 is 610, so it's 60, plus 5 ones. We'll do the same for the second number, so the 4 is 4,000, plus the 6 is 600, plus the 8 is 8 tens, and 6 ones. Okay, so now we're going to add up by each value. So 5 plus 6 is 11, 60 plus 80 is 140, 600 plus 200 is 800, and 3,000 plus 4,000 is 7,000. So then we're going to combine like values. So here we can take the 800 plus the 100, which will be a 900, and then you can add the 40 plus 11, which is 51, and then we'll just add 7,000 plus 900 plus 51. So our sum is 7,951.